I didn't record. I did not record me taking it off. That probably said enough bad words for a lifetime. So I went ahead and just left that off. Or to do the reinstallation. Who knows? I may get down on that too. This is not a fun car. So all my flashlights batteries are dying. But regardless, we're gonna rock and roll. I'm gonna show you where these bolts are at first, because I know everybody wants to see that. I don't want you to say you have to watch my video forever. It's probably really annoying. I get it. Hello, the non-existent person. What's up? Yep, we are going to town, this guy. So let me go ahead and get this out here. And first things first, I'll get that compressor back on. How about that? Let's start somewhere. I think I want to start with that compressor. I'll get you out of my nostrils here in a second. Sorry about that, but I'm going to go ahead and adjust that momentarily. Check it out. Sorry. Here we go. That's my new. That's my new. This is my new Betsy oven stool. I don't know if that's going to work, actually. I may just have to use my other one. Let me see. Oh, yeah, that's good right there. The other one I had, got from Harbor Freight, kept breaking. Like, the thing's falling apart. The second one fell apart on me. It's not a good idea. You don't want to get that. That stool's terrible. Like $15. Anyway, so I had this crazy dream last night. I'll save that for later. I got to focus for a moment. Hang on. Get this gigantic box out. Oh, man. Let me, hang on. I'm getting ahead of myself. One thing at a time. I got laggy. That's what's up. Hey, look. One thing I'm not going to say is this. I got laggy. I don't even know what that means. But, yeah. Cool. I'm not sure. Tell me what laggy is. I have a feeling I know. But if you shouldn't tell me, I'm cool. I don't need to know. But I got a really bad job to do. A really difficult one. So this is going to be crazy. Let me, yeah, my phone. My phone thing. That's what I was going to try to find. Here it is. I got you. All right, guys. No more interaction for a while. I'm going to have, well, except for the work. Yep. Oh, it froze. No. Don't let it freeze on me. Tell me, hey, if it freezes, make sure you let me know. Not a great, I'll be honest, it's not a great reception area. Right there is one belt, and this is they're the new belts and the stretch belt. Well, there's the stretch belt in the sun, sorry. There's all this cool stuff, and there's that air box, got a filter for that. This is where you guys are going to get to hang out for a while, because I am not going to be dealing with holding the camera right now. And I don't even know how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to try to figure it out. Let's see. Put it right here. How's that look? Oh, yeah. Oh, no. That's not good. All right, let's try this. Hang on. Try it again. Got to find the right spot to set you off so you can actually see. Hey, we'll try this way. That ain't going to work neither. All right, I'm trying. Give me a second. Let me see if I can pin you, stick you like that or something. I don't know. This thing sucks. This is a cheap little thing, but I'm just trying to figure out a way to. There we go. That may work. You're too far down now. You know what? Hang on. Dropped you guys down the hole. No, that would not have been good. I would. All right, hang on. Let me get this situated. Can you hear me? I knew it. I knew. I knew it wouldn't be more than 1 second before somebody rang the phone. Let me go mute these phone calls. Hang on. All right. Here we go. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Sometimes I'll check and do this. All right, we good? All right, cool. That's ridiculous. Every time I'm doing something, a live stream pops on. It's crazy. Makes me so mad. There we go. Y'all can see getting there, can't you? I'm going to go right in that hole, so there you go. That's kind of where I'm going. Put this AC compressor back in. It keeps, every time I go to do a live stream, it never fails. I get a freaking phone call every time. All right, let me get the AC compressor out. I'll be right back. I'm going to need a couple minutes, so hang tight, go to the bathroom, take a break. I don't know why. I can't figure out how to take a break on this stupid thing ever. I don't know.